Welcome back to lecture 4, and this one I'm going to be showing you how to cut videos, audios, and also how to group them. Okay, so this is very important. It's just like the basic. We have not gotten into it fully. We are still warming up for the main fun part of this crash course. So how do you cut? Okay, for instance, you want this video. We have this video in the timeline. We have this video, and maybe we'll just want to cut it somewhere around here. Ensure you are clicking on this video. You have this click, then you have this white border around your video, and then you can do either Control B to cut it. As you can see, we can now move this one out because we've cut it up already. Okay, you can also do that for pictures, images. As you can see, ensure you click on it. You have the white border, you do your Control B. That's one way of cutting. The other way of cutting is, okay, we have highlighted this. You can right click and hit cut. Okay, you can cut it here, that which takes it out. You can do Control Z to bring it back. If you made a mistake, to undo, you can do Control Z. You can also use your Control B, your backspace to delete and all. So that's just basically how it works. Then the other thing I would like to show you is how to group, because there are sometimes you want to, group pictures and videos. For instance, you want these two to be like this. Okay, you want these two to be like this, so you just want to group these two. This text at the top. Okay, let me rescale it down. I'm going to show you how to do that in the future, but we just want to rescale down this image, as you can see. So we'll scale it up like this. This is how to scale. So let's just assume we want it to the side here. We don't want it to disturb the lady dancing. We can have it here. So now we can click on this, press your Control key button, your Command key if you're on Mac, and click on this, and then you right click and you click on group. Okay, you can group. It's Control G, as you can see it, group. So you just group them, right? So now you have compound A. So as you see, if you try to move these two, it's going to move together, as you can see, because you've grouped them together. Okay, so now you can carry them and put them on top like this. They are both grouped together. If you want to ungroup them, you click on them. Okay, as you can see, if you click on one, now it tends to get the two together. So you right click again, and then you ungroup, which is Control Shift G or Command Shift G to ungroup. So once you ungroup it, now you can move different elements separately. Once you've done that, as you can see, you can move different elements separately. It's that easy, not complicated at all. We're going to move to lecture 5, where I'm going to show you how to adjust audio, which is very important in every video editor's toolkit. So see you on that one. Stay blessed.